Today we're going to cover ad blocking. Ad blocking is nothing new, and a variety of utilities have existed for quite some time. As you can read here, ad blocking or ad filtering is a type of software, or less commonly, a computer hardware device that can remove or alter advertising content from a web page, website, or mobile app. Ad blockers are available for a range of computer platforms, including desktop and laptop computers, tablet computers, and smartphones. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to uBlock Origin, which is what I use today. Then I'll go more in depth about ad blocking after that. Like many people, I used to use a popular browser plugin called AdBlock Plus, but because of growing controversy about monetization and how they selectively blocked ads, I looked around and found uBlock Origin. Aside from its improved performance and memory usage, I really liked that it was open source. uBlock Origin works on most major browsers like Chrome and Firefox, but even has an extension for Microsoft Edge. If you're using Microsoft Edge, you'll need to install the extension using the Microsoft Store. I'll leave a link to it in the description. In my case, I used Firefox Add-on Manager and simply had to restart the browser afterwards. I've been using uBlock Origin for a couple years now, and at least for my browsing experience, it's been working flawlessly. Once you have it installed, you'll probably see an icon somewhere. If you want to allow ads for a given website, it's as simple as another click. I highly suggest simply trying it for yourself and deciding if it's right for you. Some of the benefits of ad blocking are obvious, but let's review. Number 1, protecting your privacy. Ad systems use a variety of ways to track and profile you in order to create a more detailed picture of what you like and can then serve more profitable targeted ads instead of just random ones. Depending on what websites you visit, an ad provider could record every page you visit, even across multiple websites. Number 2, protection from malware. Some ads deviously present themselves as an integrated part of the page you're viewing, and for an unsuspecting user, may lead them to installing a malicious browser plugin or even a computer virus. By using an ad blocker, you significantly reduce the risk of this happening. Number 3, saving bandwidth, and for some, money. Online advertisements can range from a simple text link to a full infomercial. Images, audio, or video can take a bite out of your total bandwidth budget, and depending on your internet service provider, may be the reason your bill is so high. Number 4, better user experience. For me, this is what I value the most. Pages are less cluttered, with less distractions, and quite often load faster. If not properly engineered, the interactivity provided by some advertisements can slow down your computer, and it is possible today for a website or advertiser to covertly steal some of your computer's processing power while you visit. Now let's talk about the morality of ad blocking. The argument against ad blocking should also be pretty obvious. For the most part, the web we know today runs on advertising dollars. A content creator publishes their content to a popular destination hoping for ad revenue. In the case of YouTube, for example, if every user used an ad blocker, content creators relying on ad impressions wouldn't receive any money. But for some content creators, ads were never the way, and we see a lot of them using crowdfunding services like Patreon to sustain their channel. In conclusion, using an ad blocker really boils down to giving yourself the power to choose. Without it, you are at the whims of entities that, to be quite frank, do not have your best interests in mind. I admit, most people who will use an ad blocker won't take a moment to enable ads for websites they frequent. But with the little power we have, this is one way to pressure websites to evolve the way they deliver content. Some websites politely ask you to disable your ad blocker. Some use crowdfunding. Some simply just use less obtrusive advertisements that don't get blocked. That said, if you are an opponent of using ad blockers, I'm curious what your stance is, so please leave a comment below and let's discuss. Ad blocking is probably the most value for the amount of effort when it comes to privacy and security, so this video was really an important one in this series. If this video helped you, clicking the like button below will help others find it. If you want to see more videos like this, click subscribe. And pledging even $1 on Patreon really inspires me knowing that people are serious about privacy and security. It really hasn't been a popular topic until recently, and I hope to grow a community that shares this awareness. So thanks again for watching, stay safe, and we'll see you next time.